Hi everyone. So in one of my previous videos, I showed you how to create these little crochet roses. Now I'm going to show you how to assemble these into a blanket. So I will go ahead and link the rose video in the description box below. And also we're going to attach them to these little hexagon squares. Oh, not really squares, but the little crochet hexagons. And I will also link the tutorial on how to make these in the description also. And so to make these, we simply take our rose that we had made and leaving the tail onto it. We just simply take it and follow, go right to the center, which your circle is going to be right around towards that center. Pull apart, and you just want to stitch the center of your rose right onto the very center down there. And you just kind of go all the way around. And what we're wanting to attach it to is this outer little circle in the center. So we'll just kind of go back and forth, sewing the rose right onto the little hexagon. All right, now we have that sewn onto there. So I'm just going to go ahead and tie off and weave in this end. And then go ahead and cut the remainder of the tail that we have right off. And then we have one of our little hexagon flower squares. Hexagon flowers. Now what I'm going to do is, for this project, I want to do a flower and then a blank space. So I have a whole bunch of these little hexagons already made. And I will just go ahead and show you how to start assembling them. Now you want to take, I am going to go ahead and go with just simply the white yarn. I'm going to get a nice long little piece of that. Right. And then what we're going to do, there is 2 chains into each little kind of like a corner side. So what we're going to do is attach into the chain closest to this side on both of them. So we're going to go into that chain. We'll just tie a little knot to attach. We'll weave in the end here shortly. And then we're just going to go ahead and match up stitch to stitch, going all the way across to attach this little square to the next. Now you might want to do all of them with flowers, or you might not want to, or mix up flower colors. The choices are all up to you. I wanted to have a little bit of difference into them. Or you can even go this way and then decide later you want all flowers on every single square, which no problem. Just go ahead and create some more roses and sew them on. Alright, the top of the last double crochet, and then we want to start into that chain 1 right there. And then we can go ahead and tie off for that piece. Now you can use the same piece of yarn or grab a new piece. I am just going to go ahead and grab a new piece. Now here's where we're going to attach our next little hexagon to it. So for here, I'm going to start in this corner and come down and across. So I'm going to start up here and come across, remembering to start in the chain 1s. So we've done into the chain 1. Now we want to do into the top of our first double crochets of that side. Just keep going stitch to stitch, so your stitches should all match right on up. And then into our first chain 1 of the corners, or this side would be your only chain 1 over there. And then we're just going to turn and start working down this side. So this one, because it's a new side, right into that chain 1 for that side. And then we move into the top of the first double crochets. All right, and then you can go ahead and tie it off. And then you just go ahead and keep repeating, adding on your more little hexagons. And then as you want more little flower squares. So I'd go ahead and say I wanted to add right here my next flower. I'd go ahead and sew on this one, and I would come down these sides to go ahead and attach. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a little thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the little subscribe button. And go ahead and hit that little bell next to it also, so you can get a notification for every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.